Yeah, Assalamu alaikum class. So let me just get my pen right. Okay, and this is it. So we are going to do Unit 3 data processing and representation, and within this we have discrete and group data. And this is part 2. And previous video जो है वो पहली वाली वीडियो थोड़ी सी लंबी हो गई थी, so what I had to cut it short. And so what we are going to do today is we have already done with median. Now we're going to figure out median, mode, and range. And so we have this data of heart rate of 24 patients. And so the method one is basically to locate it like a normal, like we normally do. So the first step is basically we have to rearrange the values in ascending order. So the lowest value is 85. And so 85, how many times that's an 85? So let's do this, and then we have 85 again. Should look like an 85. 85, and then we have an 85 and an 85 again. And so next value is 86, 1, 2. So 1 and a 2. And so 86, 1, 2, 3, 4, sorry, 3, 4, and an 86. So that's an 86. And so what we're going to do is now 87. And so that will be, I don't have any space, so let's make it 87 here. 1, 2, and so 3, 4, 5. And that's 87. And then 88 is 1 time and 2 time. This is it. And then we have 89 1 time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. And we have basically arranged it. So we're done with step 1, and then we have step 2, use median formula to locate the median position. So median position हमने जो है वो figure out करनी है इसकी. So the formula is n plus 1 is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2, where n is basically total number of data points. Data points total कितने हैं, that is n. So we know कि हमारे पास data points जो हैं वो 24 patients हैं, so 24 data points हैं. 24 plus 1 divided by 2, that gives us 25 divided by 2, and so it gives us basically 12.5. And so we have used the formula to find out the median position, not the value, position. You have to be very clear that this formula gives us the position. And now, so I have to figure out which position it is. So I'm just going to change the color of my, okay, so this will do. Good. So now we have the first position, the second, the third, fourth, fifth, sixth. And I have to find this position, right? And so 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And so 12.5 will be between 12 and 13, right? Somewhere here in the middle. But there is again no value here. So what we are going to do is we are going to add these values. We're going to say 87 plus 87, and we're going to divide it by 2, and we get what? We get 87. And so this is the value. So we have located the step part 3, and now we have calculated, figure out the value against the median position, and this is the value, and we are done with step 4 as well. So this was the way of doing it in the first place. Now, if I want to use this table, and because हम most of the time जो है वो आप tables में ही काम करेंगे, you should know कि अच्छा ये table इधर से आ रहा है, आपको ये values नहीं मिली होंगी questions में, आपको बस table मिला होगा. So how do we find the median with this data or with the table? So what we do is formula over here, we write median is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. That will be 24 plus 1 divided by, that's 24, and plus 1. So that's summation f plus 1 divided by 2. It gives you 25 divided by 2, and the position is 12.5. So from this, we can actually use the frequency column to figure out the 12.4. So this is 85 5 bar आ रहा है, सही है. So that will be first position, second position, third position, fourth position, and fifth position. So up till this point, we will have 85. Then onwards to this, from 6 onwards to 10th position, we will have 86, and we can see it here. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, we have 86. And then we have, so 1 to 5 position is 85, 6 to 10 position is 86, 87 is 5, 10 position. So from that will be from 11 position to 15 position. We will see that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we have 2 positions, so that will be 16 to 17. So we can see that this is 16 and 17. It is occupied by 88, and it is occupied by 88 here as well. And so all of the rest from 18 to 24 positions will be occupied by 89. The position we are concerned about lies here in this crop. And so we will say that and the position is here, and it is 87. Since it's 0.5, so it should be 87 plus 87 divided by 2, and we get 87. So this is how we calculate or locate the median value using the median formula by using the table. Thank you. And so moving on to the mode is pretty simple. The most frequent value, we can see that the most frequent value is 89. We can see it here as well in the table. We see 7 is the highest value. So mode is basically 89, and range will be highest min h minus l, which is highest value minus lowest value. Highest value is 89, and lowest value is 85 minus it. And so we get a 4, range of 4. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lesson.